Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and go over the lessons for the entire week. This is week 4, April 13th through April 17th. First thing you're going to want to do is put your name on the first slide. If some of y'all didn't do that last week, please do that so I know that you got started on the lessons for the week. You're going to double click and then you're going to go ahead and start typing your name. Okay, so that's how you do that. Then Monday is going to look just like last week. Remember to write the definition. If you need help with the definition, open up a new page, type the word, and then to write the word definition. It's going to pop up. You can copy and paste back on the slide. And then you also have to put a picture. So you're going to go to where it says insert, image, search the web. Once you finish searching the web, you're going to have a lot of pictures pop up. You can actually double click and then it will put it on the slide for you. You have to make these smaller because if not, I won't be able to see your words. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. You guys should know how to do that by now. Tuesday, you're gonna have a short reading right here and right here, and that's gonna help you answer these fill in the blank questions. Some of these words you're gonna be able to use twice, and some of the words you're not gonna use at all. Okay, so let's read the first one. It says, Earth's core is mostly made up of iron and, so if you did the reading, you'll know that it's made out of iron and nickel. So you're going to type that in. Just like before, you have to double click in order to start typing. Okay, some of y'all were having hard time typing last week. Make sure you're double clicking and then you can start writing. All right, so that's Tuesday. Let's go ahead and go on to Wednesday. For Wednesday, you're going to have to you're going to have to watch this video first and then you're going to read. This is the compositional layers. You have the crust, the mantle, and the core. For the mechanical layers, you have the lithosphere, asthenosphere, mesosphere, the outer core, and the inner core. You're going to need to use this information to fill in the graphic organizer. Here's all the definition, all the things that I need you to do. I'm actually going to make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. All of this needs to be done on the graphic organizer. I already did parts of it for you. So I already did the definition for compositional. You're going to have to tell me the definition for mechanical. So you're going to have to go back to the reading and then you're going to have to find the definition and then type it right here. Again, you have to double click, then you can start typing. I need to know the different layers for compositional and the different layers for mechanical. Now, this graphic organizer is a little bit different because it only has 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you see that there's 2 lines right here, that's because it's counting the outer core and the inner core for this part right here. Okay, so if you're watching the video, you're going to know that this needs to be the outer core and the inner core. Okay, so I know up here you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but there's only 4 blanks. That's why you have to put both the outer core and the inner core together. Okay. Also, I need to know what each of the compositional layers are made of. I already did this one. It's made out of magnesium and iron. And you need to tell me how thick it is. So I already did this one for you. You need to tell me which one I was describing. You have to tell me what it's made out of and how thick it is. Over here on this side, you need to tell me which layer it is. And then the next thing you need to tell me is it is solid, liquid, or gas. Okay, so you're gonna be able to type that for each one. All right, so that's gonna be the graphic organizer. Please make sure you fill in as much as you can using the reading to help you. Also, the video is gonna help you with filling it in. All right, for Thursday, it's gonna look a little bit more similar. You have your 6 paragraphs that you're going to read. Please take your time on this because here is most of your grade with the questions that you're answering. All the answers are in the reading. You have to go back and look. Once you're ready to answer, you're going to type your answer right here. For example, the first one says, what is the correct order of the layers of Earth starting deep in the center? So you're going to have to look at which one you think is the correct order. If you think that letter A is the answer, you're going to type A, and then you're going to go on to number 2. Okay? You should know how to do that. A lot of you were able to answer the questions. Now for Friday, If you did all the work for the week, this should be really easy. All you're going to do is label each layer. You have the compositional side and you have the mechanical side. I just need you to label what each layer is in the correct order. If you need help, you can go back to your graphic organizer, you can go back to the reading, and it actually tells you all the layers and it tells you in the correct order. This should be really easy. This is also part of your grade. All you have to do is double click. For example, if you think this first one is the crust, all you have to do is type in the crust, okay? Whatever you think it is, you need to type it in just to show me that you understood the lessons for this week. If you have any questions, please reach out, message me on Google Classroom, Talking Points, email me, whatever you need to do. I will be here to help you at any moment throughout the week, okay? So just send me a message. I'll look at it and I'll respond as quickly as I can. The point is that you're doing your work. It's not that hard. Just get on it. Do not get behind. Like I said, I'm going to be messaging your parents throughout the week to letting them know that I haven't had any work from you or I haven't gotten any work from you and that you need to get started because it is for a grade. Some of you are already passing and some of you already have some failing grades. Please make sure you're getting the work.